So yesterday the whole crypto market was going down, but it looks like one of the coins here that really did survive and actually is in the plus side is Fantom. So this is just incredible to see that Fantom somehow did survive this huge crash and actually is recovering super fast right now, and the price is still going up. So this is just insane to see. We have to check out what Fantom really is and what Fantom is going to bring in the future. Also, we're going to do some price analysis, some price predictions. Already doubled, so my price prediction was already passed by Fantom here, so hopefully we're going to increase even more in the future. So let's check out Fantom. So here we are, CoinMarket cap. As you can see right now, the market cap for Fantom is at $3.8 billion. In the end, the coin did increase. It's in plus side, basically 3.7%. If you do look at the 7-day chart, you can see a lot of things did happen here, a lot of stabilization. The coin did pump here. This is the massive dump that happened here to the coin, but after that, basically we did pump up again. 136% increase here, 2.5 billion volume in the last 24 hours. It is pretty much insane, but of course in that volume we have selling volume, so this is why the volume here is just so huge right now. 166,000 watch lists, so people are right now interested in this coin. It's the #1 trending coin right now on CoinMarketCap, so a lot of people are interested into Fantom. They're watching this coin because they want to see what's going to happen to the future of Fantom. So let's check out the chart. Let's see what's been happening to this coin in general. As you can see to my above me here, you can see that the whole market, the entire market is just going down. Bitcoin broke down, Ethereum here, Cardano, all the coins did break down in value. You can just see a huge market crash. A lot of things that happen here it's because one of the reasons is El Salvador. The second reason is because of longing. People did use long leverages, which is of course not a good idea, but it looks like people did get a lot of money here. The longs did work in the end. Look at this. No, it's not really my prediction, but this is the highest this coin could have gotten, and this, you can just see how much this is actually insane. It hit the exact target I set in the video. So my prediction was it's going to hit this target next, and it did. I think one day after that we did hit the target, which was pretty amazing, pretty cool. 2 days after that, I think it's like 2 days, or like maybe 3 days after that, we hit the second target, which would be this level here. Then I think today, actually yesterday we hit 2 of the targets. So in the end, the coin did reach $1.8. $1.8, guys. That's an insane number. This is just an insane number that did happen here to this coin. If we do measure the increase from this high where I did talk about the coin all the way to here, it's 100% increase in just 8 days. That's an insane amount of investment. This is an insane amount of people purchasing the coin. Now after this huge peak, the coin would have continued to go up, but because we had this massive crash, the coin had to crash also. How much did we go down? Basically, we did go down by a lot. So the coin lost 40% of its value. That's it. That is just a huge amount. So 40% is a huge number here. A lot of people, somebody just cashed out here. Like a lot of long traders did cash out the coin here. They take a lot of profits, but the Fantom community ate the dip. They basically destroyed this dip. Look at the buying power here. What happened in basically 2 hours, I think, 2 to 6 hours basically, the coin had increased by 34%. That's 35 even. There you go, 35% in just it says here 8 hours. So there you go. That's an insane number, 35%. Because if you do check the rest of the coins, these coins did not increase this much. They have increased, but not by 35%. That's an insane number. Of course, these coins didn't really even go down by 40%, but still seeing it, you can see this coin here and Sol are the only 2 coins who really did survive this giant attack. Let's call it attack. But a lot of people, a lot of investors did buy this dip. So do remember that. So there's a lot of traders now, a lot of huge whales that did buy the coin at this level here. So yeah, they're in a good standing. If not only this coin, but like I said, every single coin here, but that means that a lot of people bought the coin for $1.1. But that's still, if you bought the coin exactly when I released my video, basically he would still be at a better position than the people who bought in this level. So there you go. If you did, he might, like, I'm not a, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I did predict pretty much that the coin will continue to go up if we had some good news. And Fantom did have like a ton of good news here to spread, and the coin did continue to go up a lot here. It did just continue, and we are still, look at this. So this is the 20 MA, this is the 55 MA. As you can see, these two didn't even get close to crossing. So these two are super far away, which just shows you that we're still in this giant bull run. Look at the RSI. The RSI is just insane on this. Look at the RSI here. So we were all the way here at the 80 level. And because of this huge dump, we did go down all the way to here to basically 58. And then we did rebound to 62. Now look at the other coins. If you go to Bitcoin, look at the RSI here. Yeah, Bitcoin did crash a lot more. How much did it crash? Okay, 20%, 18% for Bitcoin, but that's of course 18% for Bitcoin to go down. That's an insane number. That's just an insane number. We can just see the RSI crashing all the way to here. So it's just insane to see what's been happening. It just shows you how much more people are buying than selling this coin, and that's it. People are just ready to invest in this coin a lot more. Like I said, the market cap right now, we're at 3.8 billion. How much can we go more? Is there a possibility this coin can reach like 10 billion market cap? I think there is. There is a huge community behind this coin. People are invested into this coin and want this coin to try to continue to go up. Now, the problem is right now, why can't we really predict what's going to happen? Because we're in a super volatile situation where every single coin did go down. It all depends what's going to happen the next day. If these coins continue to go down, then Fantom will go down with it. So if Bitcoin goes down, Fantom has to go down with it. That is something will happen. Look at this. As I'm talking, this coin is still increasing. How do I know? It says 8%. We were at 6%. If I do measure it again, you can just see a little bit more increase than before. So this coin is right now still going up. If we go actually to the 1 hour chart, I think we can see a little bit better. Yeah, in the end, we are still trying here to go up even more. So I'm just showing you guys, in the end, it did find safety at this level. So at this level here. So there's going to be a crucial area for us where we do know that the coin is going to be okay. Even if we do have a lot of decrease, where we could fall is all the way to here. So this is a bearish situation where it could go down to $1.1 per Fantom. So do remember that if we continue to go down, this is the level where we are going to go down to. If we break down even more than this, then we are going to enter a bearish cross and the coin will continue to go down and reach some super low levels. But if we stay above this level at $1.1, then we're still okay, we're still bullish, and we're still gonna continue to go up. This is what I think will happen here, and I don't think, like I said, if all the coins go down, then this coin will go down also. But if we don't, if we continue here to stabilize and then go up, then that's the best scenario. Right now, what could happen to this coin, like the best case scenario I'm seeing right now, is that if we need to either start to stabilize right over here in this area. Why? It's because the RSI needs to go a little bit more down, and then we can continue this funnel here, this upwards trend. As you can see, we are still continuing to go up. Like, this is the upwards trend. It is a huge trend, and it is an awesome trend, but we are still going up, and it is beautiful to see. It is beautiful to see that something like this is happening to this coin, that this trend is lasting this long. Now, do be aware, I think this is the correction that the whole market needed. So I believe this is something that needed to happen if we wanted all the coins to reach some astronomical values later on by the end of the year. Because if we didn't have, the problem is with all the coins, you can just see Bitcoin here almost reaching the top of the RSI, Ethereum also reaching the top of the RSI here, Cardano here reaching the top of the RSI here. So this correction is something that everybody needed, and now you can just buy a lot of coins here for so much cheaper than before. Like, it's a super discount. The people who bought in this area, I'm sorry for them, because they could have bought here at like these just a lot lower levels. Of course, you cannot predict something like this to happen. So if you did buy the dip, you're in a really good position right now for this coin, because it should be able to continue to go up even more. And now we have some new values. We're going to take another Fibonacci retracement here, and we're going to place it from here to here, and this is going to be the next level. So these are going to be the next levels where we're going to go. Basically, this is my next prediction, the next goal for this coin. If we do continue to go, if that's a possibility, after this huge dip, the next level we're going to go to is basically going to be 2.3. So $2.3. Of course, you have to first go to the all-time high. Hopefully we do not get rejected at that level. Hopefully we do continue to go up. If we do continue to go up, the next level, like I said, is $2.3. After that, it's going to be $3. So if we want to reach like those, let me just measure. So first, if we want to reach the all-time high, have to increase by 20%, which is pretty doable. I think this is possible. I think we can do this. If we want to reach the next target, 2.3, we're gonna need 50% increase. And if we want to reach $3 here, it's 100% increase. If we do have 100% increase, then we're gonna double the market cap, and basically we're gonna be super close to 8 billion market cap, which I think is possible for this coin. It is something that could happen, but do be aware that is a huge market cap for this coin. That is just a lot. It is a lot. So kind of go to that number. There is a possibility, like I think 100%, that if we continue to go up, at least it can reach 5 billion market cap, which should be another like 30% increase, maybe even a little bit more, like 40% increase. But yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. There's still a lot of things that we can't really predict because the whole market did crash right now. We just did have a giant crash, so it's pretty much, you can't really predict what's gonna happen. Cardano making a bearish cross. I think every single coin did. Yeah, every single coin here did make a bearish cross, but I think we're gonna make a huge reversal right over here, and it's going to be okay. It should be okay. Like pretty, yeah, you can just see the crosses here. A lot of coins that make these crosses, but Solana, no cross, and this coin here, so Fantom, no cross, which is super important because it just shows you that we are still in that bull run here. But let's continue. Let's go here to their Twitter, because these guys are posting every single day, which is pretty interesting, and the gamer here is pretty huge. So new builders are coming to Fantom. Welcome Iron Finance. You can check out this if you do want so. Iron Finance to join Fantom here, which is just insane. So see, thank you to all the builders, developers, community members, and Fantom supporters. 2.1k likes here, which is just an insane number. If you continue, says here, congrats to Pierre for a phenomenal place for in qualifications. Big day for Fantom and for Pierre. Awesome to see what's been happening here. Look at this, $300 million have been locked. So FTM, that's Fantom, can be stopped, and Bill is here to make sure of that. So awesome to see on Spooky Swap, basically 300 million worth of this coin has been locked, or like added liquidity. So this is super cool to see. If we do continue, it says here, it's now completely free to bridge from Ethereum to Fantom. Bridging back to Ethereum is cheaper too, costing only 30 FTM. So awesome to see what's been happening here. More bridges, good things happening, more connections, more people getting into the coin just because of that. It says we're excited to announce that Satoru will be collaborating with Fantom FDN to bring private payment infrastructure to the Fantom ecosystem. The users can invoke Satoru Layer 2 protocol and its ZK Con Snark technology to protect transactional privacy in the Fantom ecosystem. You just see massive and big companies here are partnering up here with Fantom. So general update, we got a general update here saying crazy past 2 weeks at Fantom, 370 million FTM incentive program went live, insane, 1.2 billion total value locked. Coinbase wallet now supports Fantom mainnet. Fantom DevCon announced any swap waves, bridging fees, and released rarities. So awesome to see. You can check out the general update if you do want so. It was basically 2 days ago, so super cool to see what is happening here in this coin. Like I said, more updates, more things happening, and just really cool to see. The Baby Boo Kitty Club NFT sale has already donated over $120,000 to charity. So like I said, you can check it out if you do want so again. So yeah, there's insane things happening. Let's take a look at Reaper Farm, a powerful and easy yield aggregator. So we have bots that perform about 70 TXS every 30 minutes or so, saving us a ton of time and maximizing their profits. Just insane things are happening here. People are posting every single day. We've been seeing more and more YouTubers actually promote this coin, which is just insane also. So pretty cool things are happening. It's a major milestone for Fantom. Yes, a Fantom is 1.29 million ticks. They surpass Ethereum. Ethereum has 1.2 million. So yeah, ticks per day, being an Ethereum helper to make Fantom and Ethereum faster together. Awesome. We are thrilled to announce that Fireblocks HQ has added support for Fantom, so both mainnet and ERC20 tokens are now available to the 500 plus banks, hedge funds, leading desks, and other financial institutions using the Fireblocks platform. This is insane. The biggest reason why this coin has increased is just because of this post here in the last 6 hours. So 130,000 people are following this coin. That's a huge number of people. They are really interested in this coin and good things are happening. But in the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.